easiest ways currently to set up WordPress on your local machine. And so it's called, the software is called Local. If you want to get it, it's available on localwp.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description. Okay, so here we're on the site. The local website tells us that it's #1 local WordPress development tool. That's true, and it helps you download the software onto your computer for you to be able to start developing on WordPress. And then open it. Okay, local. I'm going to get it later. So we're here on local. You should once you open your site, it should be similar to what we can see here. So guess you might not find this. These are sites I have already created, so you don't need to worry about this. To get started, click on this green button by the bottom left. It's already set up, so we'll go ahead and create a new site. For the site's name, it can be any name in the name of your site. If, for example, I'm using YouTube as I think that's the way it is for now. For the environment, it currently comes with PHP, but I'm personally okay with this. This works fine, so I'll continue. If you remember from the exam, you always have to set up a username for a WordPress, a password for a WordPress. So I'm just going to type in YouTube. For the password, I'll just type in YouTube, and I'm just going to leave the email the way it is. So we'll go ahead. We give it some time to get the resources ready. Okay, okay, so we've set up. So we've set up technically. We've set up the website on local. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so we can see how the site looks like. It looks similar to what we did on XAMPP. And so let's go ahead and open our admin. So personally, if I do not want to always be, if I open the admin, I'll always have to type in my username. If you remember, the username was YouTube and the password was YouTube. Then I have to log in. So if I don't always want to do that, I always toggle on one-click admin, so that once I just click on this, it logs me in. Does not ask for password. Okay, so that's just how to set up local. If you have any issues, please just ask any question in the comment section. Thank you very much.